Welcome back to our channel, where we share valuable tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll guide you through a comprehensive tutorial on how to get the link of a contact in Snapchat. This feature allows you to easily share a contact's profile with others. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Snapchat on your device. Look for the familiar Snapchat app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Step 2. Tap on a chat from your chat list, excluding the AI chat. Choose the chat for which you want to get the contact's link. Step 3. Tap on the name of the chat at the top of the screen. Then, tap on the 3 dots located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 4. In the menu that appears, tap on Share Profile to. Step 5. Next, tap on the Copy Link button. The link to the contact's profile will be copied to your device's clipboard. Now, you have the link of the contact's profile ready to be pasted and shared with others. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.